top of the hour. We've got Skycam right now looking over Columbia. If you're looking north to the sky, you're probably seeing a little bit of lightning striking and hearing a little bit of thunder. We'll go ahead, though, and start on into your forecast. Starting with tomorrow's sun sense number, the folks at Despain and Casey Medical Spa give you the UV index number of 9 tomorrow. It's going to be a lot cooler as compared to yesterday, but that UV will be out in full force, so get like the guy on the right, bring your hat and sunglasses. You can't see his sunscreen attached to his waist, but you don't want to bring that too. We'll go ahead and get rolling right into our live Doppler 8 first alert radar. A pretty active system we've got going on right now. This pretty squall line off to the northwest of our viewing region right now. This is some rain associated with the timing of the cold front making its way into Columbia. We've got Doppler 8 scanning the skies and quite a few flash flood warnings out there for you right now. We'll go ahead and look at satellite and radar right now. This is the progression of the last 12 hours and how things have kind of been shaping. You can really see these pop-up thunderstorms just form out of nowhere right here at this part of the loop, and this is where we've been getting some severe thunderstorm reports out in Macon. We had a great coverage earlier today. Again, we apologize for that, but always keeping you informed. We'll go ahead, though, and look. We've been talking about the ingredients for a thunderstorm quite a bit the last couple of days, and we talked about instability, we talked about moisture, and this is completely evident with the winds here. We've got a southerly wind profile pretty much being that moisture transport that's going to build and grow these storms, if you will. And right now we've got a wind out of the south at 15 miles an hour. You can see the wind shift approaching as you see this thicker contour right here. That again is a stable region with as far as winds, and that's actually the cold front that's going to be making its way on into Columbia in the next couple of hours. Our afternoon highs today, absolutely sweltering out in Salina, Kansas. 98 for the high, 97 in Wichita. Jayhawk weather though, so we don't really care about that. We'll take a real quick look though at current temperatures as we begin our cool down. 76 right now in Springfield, and cooler up north in Kirksville at 72, partially because of that rain cooled air we've had recently. From a closer look at home, we've got Sedalia at 83, Marshall at 81, Moberly at 75, and Jefferson City at 83, one of the warmest spots on the map. Current conditions, however, from Columbia Regional Airport showing a temperature right now of 80 degrees and a dew point of 7 degrees. We have seen an increase in humidity, partially because of the thunderstorms entering the area, and also it's just a normal thing that usually happens into the night, an increase of humidity, of course. We're going to take a real quick look at current surface map, too. This is really what's been making our heads scratch for the last couple hours here in the Weather Center. Again, the squall line associated with the timing of the cold front making its way on into Columbia, and it's a really quick mover. We're going to see a wind shift here in the next couple of hours, and then check it out. This is where we expect the cold front to be by about the same time tomorrow, all the way past Missouri and just to the north of Little Rock. So, under the influence of that big blue H over there, and that's what's going to be our weather determinant for tomorrow. As far as tonight, though, low of 64, mostly cloudy skies, and we're going to go ahead and bring that isolated thunderstorm risk possible tonight as that squall line makes its way into Columbia. Winds out of the northwest at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Of course, that's going to happen after the wind shift. That'll help us cool down very quickly tonight, too. Tomorrow, an absolutely beautiful day. Porch sitting weather. Maybe if you're not going to be sitting on your porch, get out to Stevens Lake Park. We got an Art in the Park festival going on starting at 10, ending at 4, but it's going to be an absolutely beautiful day to get out there. Winds from the northwest at 10 to 15. Really going to be a breezy day. Going to feel excellent.
Oh, he's feeling it right now.
Say, dude, if you're not outside, then dude, get outside. 80 degrees for the high, again 58 for the low. That's starting to be like jacket weather again, like it was in the spring. So Monday, we got some PM thunderstorms, slight risk for that. 82 for the high.
I can't believe you just did that.
I'm sorry, you just can't kill the messenger here. Tuesday and Wednesday, still staying wet. Again, 50% risk for that. That means that rain could be in the viewing region up to 50% of the entire grid. So could cover about half of that. So we'll keep you updated as that progresses. But look at Friday, hot, hot, hot. 90 degrees for the high temperature.
Great, thanks.
Okay, thank you. It was do or die time. The Tigers needed to win or go home.